Hello friends, in today's special video we will diving deep into the world of Sagittarius and exploring what surprising, unexpected opportunities and new doors of destiny that period from April 1st to April 5th, 2026 may bring into your life. If you are Sagittarius, this day won't be ordinary. They are changed with cosmic energy, signaling movement and transformation across multiple areas of your life. During this period, you will feel an unusual surge of energy, renewed courage, and remarkable self confidence. It may feel as if the universe is constantly nudging you forward. For those who have been waiting for a long time to see a settled project, a dream, or a major desire come to life, this day could shine as a bright beacon of hope. New ideas will come to your mind, your discussion will carry more maturity than before, and some opportunity may emerge that you might never have imagined. The key is to trust your inner voice and not let fear, hesitation block your path, because these are exactly the moment where destiny tests us while stimulously offering the chance to move forward. For Sagittarius, this period is particularly significant in professional and financial matters. The star indicates that you may benefit from a new opportunity and an unexpected offer or a key connection. Those involved in business or creative fields may find this day especially positive. Your hard work may finally receive the recognition you have been waiting for. Some of you might gain prize, trust, or new responsibilities from the senior figure, laying the foundation of future success. Financially, gradual improvement is on the horizon. However, an important piece of advice is to avoid rushing into major financial decisions. Sometimes the star provide opportunity, but wisdom must come from within. If you experience patience, insight, and foresight in your decision, these few days could become the stepping stones from significant financial gains. Sagittarius individuals will also find interesting possibilities in matters of the heart. For those already in a relationship, this period can strengthen emotional bond. Past misunderstanding might create distance, may slowly fade, bringing closeness and warmth back into your connection. You might hear words or see gestures from your partner that fill your heart with joy. For singles, the star suggested that a casual gathering, a trip, or an unexpected encounter could introduce someone into your life who leaves a lasting impact on your thoughts and emotions. While the meeting may seem ordinary at first, its significance could grow over time. Remember, genius relationships are built on sincerity, trust, and respect, so always prioritize honesty and heartfelt experience engaging with others. April 1st to 5th, your family and social life will also carry special significance. You may feel drawn to spend more time with family, and this period can be excellent for strengthening family bonds. Some of you might be invited to family events, gatherings, or receive heartwarming news. Your social presence may also becoming more noticeable. People will value your opinion, word, and demeanor more than usual. These are the moments to maintain balance in your speech and actions, become because a positive and thoughtful approach not only increase support but also open new doors. If you are considering a new project or exploring a fresh direction, this period is also ideal for careful planning and strategy. Looking at the bigger picture, April 1st to April 5th, 2026 appear a positive pace of Sagittarius, nudging you toward new possibilities in your hope and exciting achievement. The only condition are to trust your abilities, not let past failures become obstacles, and actively recognize the opportunities coming your way. Sometimes life's biggest turning point arrive quietly, and only those with courage to make bold decisions can seize them. If you move forward with optimism and confidence, these few days may mark the stars of the transformation chain in your life. This was your special forecast for Sagittarius from April 1st to April 5th, 2026. Friends, if you enjoy this Sagittarius forecast from April 1st to April 5th, 2026, and you feel that the stars guide is truly connected with your life, make sure to hit the like button. Your like it not just a click, it's the energy that inspires us to create even more powerful, deeper, and touching forecast for you. Share your thoughts, experience, or any special changing happening in your life in the comment section. Your comments are not only valuable to us, but they also inspire and guide others who are watching. And if you want your friend and family to stay aware of this important cosmic insight, Don't forget to share this video so that this message reaches as many people as possible. To stay updated with new stars, forecast, secret of destiny, and amazing insight about the day ahead, make sure to subscribe our channel Astro Planet Forecast. We'll see you in the next incredible forecast. Until then, take care and stay inspired.